Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get TikTok text-to-speech feature on your PC. So it is quite easy to use the text-to-speech through the application on your mobile app. You cannot do the same using the website of TikTok. To do that, you'll need to open up a new website or a new application. So what you need to do is, in the search bar of a web browser, type in TikTok, yes, which means TikTok text to speech. You can select this particular option. This will open up a box where you can type in the text that you want to convert. You can also choose the voice or a particular accent. Then click on generate. The speech has been successfully generated. You can play it.
Hi there.
And download it from here. So just like that, you can get text to speech for TikTok on your PC. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.